So in this video, we'll do the unboxing of Blink video doorbell with Sync Module 2. I got it from Best Buy yesterday. It was on sale for $72 Canadian. So that's a very good price for this one. So let's see what's in the box. Before we do the unboxing, let's look around the box, what's written on the box and how the packing is. As you can see, it's battery powered or wired, and you can view day and night HD live view, and then there are two-way audio alerts as well, and the battery life is 2 years. And it also includes the Sync Module 2, in which you can connect a USB drive so that you don't have to use the cloud storage. And it works with Alexa, not with Google Home, but only with Alexa. So this is how the packaging is. What's included in the box is the doorbell, which is a black color. It comes in white as well. Sync Module 2, two AA batteries. It's a corner mount, screws, USB cable, power adapter, a case, opening tool, and then two wires as well. So there are a lot of things included in the box. Let's open the box and see what's in the box. Let's put this aside as well, and let's open. And from this side, let's see, is it from this side? Right here. And here are some getting started instructions. It says like starting with Blink is easy. So a few 5 steps for the setup. And here's the doorbell. It's the doorbell itself, that's in the box. And then these are the mounting. This is the regular mounting plate. And this is the sync module. This is for power, and here you can connect the USB drive so that it can store all the recording of the doorbell, so that you don't have to use the cloud. What else is in the box? Then we got the brick. There's the brick, and then we have the charging cable from USB-A to micro USB for the Sync Module 2. And then we got, this is the corner mounting bracket. And there's the other stuff as well. There's nothing else in the box. Screws. We got the drywall anchor screws and the caps for the wires. There's the manual. There's two batteries, two AA batteries, and then you got the corner mounting bracket. And then we have this wire extensions, and this is the tool to disconnect whenever you need to disconnect. So that's all in the box. Let's see, I'm gonna put the batteries in there and see how it turns on and switch on, and then we'll see if we can do some testing right here. I guess this goes like this. And the reset button is here. There's the reset button. And I don't see there is a power button or anything like that, so it should be switching on by itself. As you can see, it's blinking red, so seems like it's waiting to be connected with the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the app, connect with the app, and then install it and see how it behaves and what's the audio quality and the video quality. It has two-way audio as well. So that's all in the box. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Likes are always appreciated. Please help me grow this channel so that I can create more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in next video.